For centuries, stories of Jesus healing the sick, the blind, and the brokenhearted have resonated through time. Even today, we witness incredible transformations and miraculous recoveries. Many people share their personal narratives, those pivotal moments when hope felt lost, yet faith illuminated their path anew. In the rush of modern life, it's easy to overlook the profound power of belief. A simple prayer or an open heart can ignite healing in ways we might never expect. As individuals gather to recount their experiences, they highlight instances where they felt a divine presence, bathing them in peace and strength. Whether faced with physical ailments, emotional scars, or spiritual battles, the essence of their stories remains unchanged. Through faith, solace, and renewal are found. These shared stories unite us, reminding us that miracles still happen. Jesus continues to heal, today, tomorrow, and forever, radiating love and hope into our lives.